6 fleets mopping up. Time to move in. Long history of this building. Not much of it pretty. Started out as a castle with an actual dungeon, built to withstand any siege. The building survived every brutal winter. The occupants, they weren't so lucky. The monastery didn't survive the purges. Over the last century has played host to anyone the government didn't want but couldn't kill. The place is filled with living casualties of the last war, which I swear I thought we'd won. And I suppose it's all a day of the races. You back the losing horse and this is where you end up. 627's the piece of meat Makarov wants, so let's cut him loose.
Hornet 2-1, this is Chester 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s, 4 harms for the section. Stand by for SEAT, over.
Solid copy, Chester. Go get him.
Good tone. Fox 3, Fox 3. Good kill. Hornet 2-1, you're cleared all the way in. Good luck. Out.
Hornet 2-1 copies.
2-2 copies all. 2-3, solid copy. Going in hot.
Roger.
Guns.
2-2-2-1. Good effect on target.
All snipers, this is McTavish. Stand by to engage. Stabilize.
Roger.
All snipers, clear to engage. Shift right.
Shifting.
Stabilize.
Ready. On target.
Shift right.
Shifting.
I see 4 hostiles on the next tower.
Hang on.
Shepard, get those fighters to cease fire immediately. That was too close.
I'll try to buy you some time. One man in a Gulag doesn't mean much to the Navy at this point.
Bloody Yanks. I thought they were the good guys. Ghost, cut the chatter. Stay frosty.
Second wave going in. Stand by. 10 feet. 2-1 touching down at target. Team 1 is deployed.
Go!
5-3 going into overhead pattern to provide sniper cover. Over. 5-3, this is 2-1. Solid copy on all.
Midday. Tango up in the roof of the 2-story building.
I can't get a shot.
Chopper. Contact 12 o'clock.
Roger, target acquired. 2-1 is in position for gun run.
Copy, 2-1, landing Tango on the 2nd floor.
2-1 copies. Got a tally on 6 tangos. Inbound hunt.
Tackle. Tango's under the barbed wire, behind the little wall.
Moving. I have a visual.
Cypher.
Contacting 11 o'clock. Changing mag.
Taco. Contact by the low wall under the barbed wire. I have a target.
Take him out.
Target neutralized.
Tackle. Target in the open.
Got a visual.
Hey, check your fire.
Midnight. I got a runner on the roof of the 2-story building.
Target neutralized.
Target acquired.
Roach. Tango up in the roof of the 2-story building.
Патроны кончились.
The entrance is up ahead. Keep moving.
Hazard. Contacted you 9 o'clock.
Roger, tracking.
Tango down.
This is it. We go in, grab prisoner 627, and get out. Check the corners. Let's go.
Midnight. Target, 10 o'clock. Roger that, I see him.
Copy that. Roach, we're on cell duty. Follow me.
Cell clear.
All right, I'm patched in. I'm tracking your progress on the security cameras.
Copy that. You have the location for prisoner 627?
Negative, but I've got a searchlight tracking hostiles on your floor. That should make your job easier.
Roger that. Stay sharp. The prisoner may be in one of these cells. Ghost, prepare security door. Get it open.
I'm working on it. His hardware is ancient.
Ghost. Target on our
Open
6.
the wrong door.
Roger, stand by. Got it.
That's better. Let's go.
Cover me.
Midday. Hostile in prison cell, right side.
Can't get a shot. He's out of my line of sight.
Grenade, move!
Cell 4D is clear. Roach. Contact at 10 o'clock. I'm out.
Kino,
The cell's clear.
I'll get it at 11 o'clock.
Talk to me, Ghost. These cells are deserted.
Got it! Prisoner 627's been transferred to the east wing. Head through the armory in the center. That's the fastest way there.
Got a tango in the open.
Head for that armory down there. Move! See anything you like?
Bad news, mate. I'm tracking 3. No, 4 hostile squads converging on your position.
I can hear them coming. Let's go. We're too exposed. Ghost, open the door.
Bloody hell. They've blocked it from the hard line. I'll have to run a bypass.
Too late. They're already here.
Be advised, you got more tangos headed your way.
We're gonna need more cover. Grab a riot shield. Roach, pick up one of those riot shields. Open the door!
Almost there. Routing through the auxiliary circuit.
I'll draw their fire with the riot shield. You take them out.
No match. Target at 12 o'clock.
I can't get a shot. Ghost. Target at 11 o'clock.
Target neutralized. Ghost. Contacting you at 5 o'clock. I'm moving. Got him. Ghost here. I recommend you bypass the lower floors by rappelling out that window.
Copy that. Roach, follow me.
Captain McTavish, last floor clear. We'll link up with you at the bottom.
The camera feed in solitary confinement is dead. The power must be down in that section.
Roger that. Squad, switch to night vision.
Klepto, they're on the move.
Can't get a shot. He's out of my line of sight.
Boy, hostile at the end of the hall by the cell door.
I have a visual. This one's empty.
This one's empty too.
Clear.
Shepard, what the hell was that? Get the Navy to cease fire!
The Navy isn't in a talking mood right now. Stand by. Bravo 6, they've agreed to stop firing for now. Keep going. I'll keep you posted. Out.
Klepto, tangle behind those pipes.
Roach, light him up.
Klepto, tango breaking from cover.
Got eyes on target.
Boy. Grenade! The old shower room's about 30 feet ahead of you on the left. You'll have to breach the wall to get in.
Cover me.
Throwing frag! Klepto, target breaking from cover.
Got a visual.
Hostiles on the second floor, take them out.
Owen.
Tango, moving to the left side of the locker room.
Can't get a shot. He's out of my line of sight.
Use the launchers for cover! Troops up ahead, don't attack them head-on! Move quickly and hit them from the side! Put your grenades and detonate behind them!
Got a man down. McTavish, hostile in the locker room, left side.
I have a target.
Cover me. Roach, contact to the east.
Headed for that wall on the floor on the far side of the shower! Follow me! Let's go! Go, go, go!
Roach, target at 3 o'clock. Grenade, move! Target at 12 o'clock. Target neutralized. I've got a runner.
Ghost, we're in the old tunnel system heading south-southwest.
Okay, keep going along that tunnel.
Talk to me, Ghost. I don't want to be down here when those ships start firing again.
Keep going. You're almost there. I'm detecting 2 heat signatures. One of them should be prisoner 627.
Drop it!
Soap?
Place? This belongs to you, sir.
Who's Soap?
Come on! We gotta get out of here! Move! Move!
Bravo 6, be advised. They started the bombardment early. Get the hell out of there now.
Go! There's the chopper! Get ready to jump! Go back! Go back! We'll find another way out! This way! This way! It's a dead end!
Bravo 6, there's too much smoke. I can't see you. I can't see you.
Launch it now! Whatever you're gonna do, son, do it fast!
Bravo 6, I see your flare. Firing on the way.